10th standard maths part first, lesson number 1, Maharashtra State Board, linear equations in two variables, practice set 1.4, and the question is solve the following simultaneous equations. Example number 1 is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. And another example is 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Now 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Let this equation be equation number 1. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. This is equation number 2. In equation 1 and 2, let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Therefore, we put here 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b in equations 1 and 2. Therefore, equations 1 and 2 becomes 1 upon x is equal to a. Therefore, 2 upon x is a 2a minus 1 upon y is equal to b. Therefore, 3 upon y will be 3b is equal to 15. Let this be equation number 3. Now from equation 2, 8 upon x will be 8a plus 5 upon y will be 5b is equal to 77. This is equation number 4. Now multiply equation 3 by 4. So we write multiplying equation 3 by 4. Therefore, 4 into 2a is 8a minus 4 into 3b, that is 12b, is equal to 4 into 15 is 60. Let this equation be equation number 5. Now solve equations 4 and 5. Subtract equation 5 from the equation 4. So we write subtracting equation 5 from equation 4. Therefore, equation 4 is 8a plus 5b is equal to 77 minus equation 5 is 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Therefore, this will be minus and minus will be plus, plus 60 will be minus 60. Plus 8a minus 8a will get cancelled and 12b plus 5b will be 17b. 17b is equal to 77 minus 60, that will be 17. Therefore, 17b is equal to 17. Therefore, we got b is equal to 1 here. Now put b is equal to 1 in any one of the equation. In equation 3, And equation 3 is 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Put b is equal to 1 here. So 2a minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15. Therefore 2a is equal to 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. Therefore a is equal to 9 here. Now put a is equal to 1 upon x, 1 upon x. Therefore we have 1 upon x is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 9. And put b is equal to 1 upon y. Therefore value of b is 1. Therefore 1 upon y is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore we have the value that x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. Therefore solution of these two simultaneous equations are xy is equal to 1 upon 9 comma 1. Now the example number 3. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. And second equation is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Let 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85 is equation number 1. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is equation number 2. Put 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b in equations 1 and 2. Therefore equations 1 and 2 becomes 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This is equation number 3. And equation 2 becomes 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is equation number 4. Now let us see equations 3 and 4. The coefficients of a and b are interchanged here. Therefore we add first these two equations and find equation number 5. Then we subtract these two equations and find equation number 6. And then by adding equations 5 and 6 we find the values of a and b here. Therefore we write adding equations 3 and 4 we get 27a plus 31b is equal to 85 plus 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Therefore we have 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 58a plus 58b is equal to 9 plus 5, 14, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 174. Now divide both the side of equation by 58. So we got 58a upon 58 is a plus 58b upon 58 is a b is equal to 174 upon 58 will be 3. This is equation number 5, and we write here dividing both sides by 58, dividing both sides by 58. Now we subtract equations 3 and 4. So subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4, we have equation 4 is a 31a plus 27b, that equals to 89, minus equation 3 is 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This minus, due to this minus, 27 will become minus, plus 3b becomes minus 3b, and 85 becomes minus. So we have 31a minus 27a, that is 4a, and here is a 31b. Now 27 minus 31, that will be minus 4b is equal to 89 minus 85 will be 4 here. Now divide both the sides by 4. So we get a minus b is equal to 1. This is equation number 6. This is equation number 6, and we write dividing both sides by 4. Now let us solve equation number 5 and 6. Add equations 5 and 6. Therefore we write adding equations 5 and 6 here. Equation 5 is a plus b is equal to 3, and equation 6 is a minus b is equal to 1. A plus a is a 2, plus b and minus b will get cancelled, and 2a is equal to 4. Therefore we get a is equal to 2 here. We get a is equal to 2. Now put a is equal to 2 in equation 6, and equation 6 is a minus b is equal to 1. Put value a is equal to 2, that is a 2 minus b is equal to 1. Therefore b is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore we get b is equal to 1 here, and we get a is equal to 2 here. Now put the value of a and b. Put a is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. 1 upon x minus 2, and value of a is here 2. Therefore 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Therefore we get by cross multiplication 2 in bracket x minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, 2x is equal to 4 plus 1. Therefore, 2x is equal to 5. Therefore, we got x is equal to 5 upon 2 here. Now, put b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Value of b is here 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to y plus 3. Therefore, y plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, solution of these simultaneous equations is in bracket x comma y is equal to 5 upon 2 comma minus 2. Now, example number 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. Let this be the equation number 1. And another equation is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Let this will be equation number 2. Now put 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b in equations 1 and 2. Therefore, equations 1 and 2 becomes 1 upon 3x plus y is a plus 1 upon 3x minus y is a b. A plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. Let this is equation number 3. Now 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y will be a upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y will be b upon 2. b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Let this will be equation number 4. Now multiply both the sides of equation 4 by 2. Therefore, we get a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. This is equation number 5. And here we write multiplying by 2. Now see the equation number 3 and 5. So add equation 3 and 5. Therefore, we get adding equations 3 and 5. Equation number 3 is a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4 plus equation number 5 is a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 4. So we get a plus a, 2a is equal to b plus b and minus b will get cancelled. So here will be 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4. 3 minus 1 upon 4 will be 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4. Therefore, 2a is equal to 2 upon 4. This 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, value of a will be a is equal to 1 upon 4. Now put a is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. Now equation 3 is a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4 put value of A as 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 plus B is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore B is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Therefore B is equal to 3 minus 1 is a 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore we get value of B as 1 upon 2. Now put A is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. Therefore 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to value of A is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Therefore we get the equation 3x plus y is equal to 4. Let this be equation number 6. And now put B is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y, and value of B here of 10 is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. So we have 3x minus y is equal to 2. Let this be equation number 7. Now equation number 6 is 3x plus y is equal to 4. And equation number 7 is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Adding these equations 6 and 7. So we adding equations 6 and 7. So equation 6 is 3x plus y is equal to 4, and equation 7 is 3x minus y is equal to 2 is equal to 2. 3x plus 3x will be 6x plus y and minus y will get cancelled. Therefore 6x is equal to 6. From this x is equal to 1. We get the value as x is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 6. Now equation 6 is a 3x plus y is equal to 4, and put the value of x is equal to 1, that is x into 1 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore 3 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 1 here. We got value of y as 1. Therefore solution of this simultaneous equations is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. This is solution of this simultaneous equations.